Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about where CommBank branches are located. CommBank, also known as Commonwealth Bank of Australia, has a strong presence in its home country, Australia. You can find branches and ATMs across all states and territories, including New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, Western Australia, South Australia, Tasmania, and the Australian Capital Territory. To find the specific location and hours of a branch near you, the best way is to use the branch locator tool on the official CommBank website. Beyond Australia, CommBank also has an international presence. They have branches and offices in several countries to serve their corporate and institutional clients. These include locations in Asia, such as China, Hong Kong, Japan, and Singapore. They also have a presence in Europe and North America, with branches in London and New York, respectively. It is important to note that these international branches primarily handle wholesale and institutional banking and may not provide retail banking services for individual customers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.